Obuna gina nwanne gi nwoke ama mmekọ nwe ihe meche ife unu ekene without uncorn, without jealousy and envy, without trying to bring that person down. We can never. We can never develop. Do you know that many Igbo na Igbo also all over the world? Are you going to blame them? Imana kama onye Igbo yeti onye Igbo n'onia, owolo onye biniti n'onia. Most of your people know these things that I'm talking about. Emana kama onye Igbo ya like kanya na onye Igbo na alu olu n'ụlọ olu ebe ọ na alu olu. Or like ya kanya na onye Ghana na alu olu. What caused this? Kedi lead to these things, but we don't want to say it. Your religion as a person, ability determine those decisions in a make all over the world. Emana kama onye Igbo gina onye Igbo ige woli we nye contract e like akinye onye ozo contract. Why is that so? Jukodo onwe gi, what caused this thing? Kedi yoju we blow like this? If you don't address these core issues, kezi ki ge shu e mani ife na emeki. Your religion or something contribute to those decisions in a make for your safety. In a make decision for you not to be betrayed by somebody now share the same route with you. We are falling short. Anya go far. Ndi Igbo have drifted from each other. Anya basa go all over the world. That is why any person can make fun of us. If we hear me like on national TV, it's a shame. It's a shame to us as Ndi Igbo. We only preach love, no, deep inside us. We are doing too much competition among ourselves. Too much competition. Too much monetary inspiration. We are all triggered. Abia na agwagi na Ndi Igbo like Lego. And Abia put you that reference. Agwagi ni iye wote Lego buolo. Iye wote Lego buolo. And any ibegi ge betray for money. Why are we not talking about these things? Our own people, until we start loving ourselves. Stop blaming anybody. Stop blaming Christianity for our own thing I make it for ourselves. Tribe ndozo jizaya muamu. Because don't you know that all these tribes which are friends of Ndi Igbo? Onye ofege nwike saike agisi this your brother isoli ka koma ka onye Igbo ibegi isoli esu onye Igbo ibegi mi omagolu a police officer no olu maale na ge nwa onye Igbo bia gote olu ka eli onye Igbo ibegi olu. Somebody on a checkpoint money with the olu aga eji we destroy onye Igbo ozo. Do you think that they respect you? Don't you think that you are divided among yourself? Even asking up Christianity be your problem. How is Christianity your problem? The ways you will address yourself, that's how people are going to address you. Our brother, a sentence our brother, is your brother. Often some people now say, only your basalum na politics. No. This is gone beyond politics. Our brother on national TV, I call us sentence. You want a sober reflection for yourself. Hey, why have we drifted to this part, to this level? And I have go this far with each other. And I you are wanting to bring Onyi Ibegi down. And I talk ego one again and ego. And I talk set up. And I talk and I talk. These have led us to where we are today. In us in a country, but in a country. Because he went so good the justice system. With all the legal representation, with all the money that has been spent, with all the time consumption, with all the energy, the emotions they may invest. And yet, our people are still blaming the wrong things. How have you worked out for yourself? How many people are in your circle? How do you treat? Can you treat your fellow? until the competition is stopped. Until na ibido love war wine, until na ibido vowel, kedindi ge bidia. A lot of people have been betrayed. A lot of people have been damaged by their own so-called brothers. A lot of people have been damaged. So this thing here for now, why? I told them anything religion. I don't believe the religion is a problem. Because I was able to live in China. Buddhists, I was able to witness this thing. I was able to witness so many things that I cannot say. So many things that I've experienced as a young man. I was able to witness them. And I saw that these people, you can actually be with them and talk with them, eat with them, drink with them. And you don't talk about politics. You don't talk about the religious differences. You don't talk about it because it's a sensitive topic. But I know boldly, Christianity is your problem. How is Christianity? Kedika Christianity should went on your justice system. How is Christianity placed on your infrastructural development? Kedika Christianity should take you any leg, will take you any ground in your health system. Kedika Christianity should contribute to your educational system, your electricity, your road system, affordability. How is Christianity going to be held responsible for those things? Your individual right as a citizen. In a mere experience.